But y'all wouldn't believe what they did to you, girl. They sent me the wrong inches. Stay tuned.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you guys could tell from the title of this video, we're going to be doing a Amazon review today on some hair that I ordered from them. I ordered some 613 bundles with the frontal from them. I will list below who I got the hair from, the name of the company. But if you guys are new, thank you for coming. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can see when your girl posts. And if you guys are old, thank you for coming back. I am trying to give you guys content on top of content. But anyway, without further ado, we're going to jump right into this video. And let's get this show on the road. Oh yeah, be sure to go follow me on all social media platforms. I follow back, sis. But let's get into the video. Alright, so we're going to get into how the packaging came, which it came like this. And your girl ordered with Prom because, yeah, I needed this to be here very quickly for what I got to do with it. So I ordered some 613 bundles. The inches I normally ordered, well, and the lashes came with it too. But the inches I ordered were 3 20-inch bundles with an 18-inch frontal, but that's not what they sent me. They sent me 18, 20, 22 bundles with a 16-inch frontal, and I was highly upset because I'm like, that's not what I paid for. But turn around, they sent me something that cost more than what I paid for, so jokes on them, not me. I take it. Hey, but anyway, these are the bundles. Boom, boom. My bad. In the frontal. What we're going to do is open it up and we're going to measure how long it is to see if it's really the length that it claims to be. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and open the 18-inch and we're going to measure it to see if it's actually an 18-inch. Because this is my first time ordering hair off of Amazon. And this video was not sponsored. It's just something that I wanted to do because I don't know, people think Amazon hair is no good or whatever the case may be. We're going to find out together. So what I'm going to do is take my measuring tape here and measure it on down. And what is that? About at a what? 17, y'all? So it's about at a 17. Oh wait, almost 18. Almost 18. It's not much off, but we'll take it. We'll take it. I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna go ahead and measure the 20 as well, just to see if, it might just be the correct length. Alright, here's the 20. And we're going to go ahead and get that open, measure it, make sure we not being ripped off for our money by any inches because, baby, we need all those inches, like all those inches. So I'm just going to place it right here, bring the hair down. Let's see where it stops at. So this is where it stops at, about right here. And what is that? Yeah, that is a what? About a 20. Right here. So I take it. It's like touching the 20. Just a little above, but I take it. So I mean, they're showing out to be true with the length, not ripping people off. And the hair, I mean, let me see. Don't seem to be shedding, but we're gonna go ahead and measure that 22-inch as well, just to make sure your girl got it all what she paid for. All right, let's jump into that 22-inch, baby, and let's see what it's looking to be like. So here we have it. And same process, bring it here, pull it down, and let's see where it stops at. Measuring tape comes in handy because sometimes these companies could get a little shysty and rip you off. So it was like a little 22 and a half, actually. It's a little longer than 22. So boom, that works for me because but yeah. And now last but not least, we got to measure this frontal, and then we're going to get into the rest of the details to find out if the hair is shedding or not. So let's get into measuring the frontal. Alright, so there you have it. We have a 13 by 4 16-inch frontal. We're going to open it to make sure that this is a 16-inch frontal. I did want my frontal a little longer than that, but like I said, they're lost. They the ones sent me something that cost higher than what I paid for. So, no biggie. I'm not going to cry about it. Because you feel me? Now we're going to take this frontal and we're going to measure this bad boy and we're going to find out the truth. So, I'm going to measure like towards the middle. You can't never really say if you do the size of the frontal. Y'all. This frontal is not... y'all. Y'all. Let's see. What that is. That's a 13. Maybe I'm not doing it right. Let's see. Because no. Basically play them type of games. But let me see. I think. Alright, so right here, like towards the middle, it's past 16. So it's going down 17 and a half, almost 18. So whatever. We let it slide. I mean, it did come on to 16. We're gonna let it slide. But guys, let's see. I'm really not getting no shedding as of right now. The hair is not shedding. I bought the hair to do a color on, so I am gonna take you guys through that process. That will be in my next video. We're gonna do a color on this. Like, come through. We're gonna do a color on this. So anyway, I'm gonna do it in my next video, but I'm also gonna put it at the end of this video so you can see how it took on the hair. Now, how will I rate the company? I'll rate it good because I ordered this hair and it came in like 2-3 days max. The hair was not very expensive. What I paid for was $125. And what they sent me, it was higher than that. It was like $165. So that's why I was like, they sent me something that cost more than what I paid for. So it's no big deal. Again, this video was not sponsored, but they need to sponsor me because I'm about to rock this 613 hair. And when y'all see this color, like, we gonna do this color. Hey, we gonna do this color. Alright, y'all, for real. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am gonna put it at the end, the color at the end, to see what you guys think about the color. But make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. And listed below will be the name of the company that I ordered the hair from off of Amazon. And stay tuned for the next video because I'm going to take you through the coloring process with me once I turn into a wig. But thank you for tuning in, and you guys, I will see you in the next video. See you in the next video.